We are rigorously also implementing our empowerment programs of the vulnerable groups, and we are unapologetic by doing this, honorable members. Ngoba siyazi ukuthi abantu bakithi bahleli phezu kobuhlungu nobunzima obungakanani ngokungabi nawo amathuba omsebenzi. Of the 2,050 million rand, 1.3 billion rand will be awarded to entities eziholwa ngabantu abamnyama. 530 million rands will be spent kubantu besifazane. Ebese kuthi another portion, 20 million, is spendwa kuma military veterans, which will be allocated over the 20 million over this MTEF. While the youth is getting a sizable chunk of this amount. And lokhu sikwenza ngoba kuyi-policy kahulumeni ukuthi kufanele abantu besifazane, ulusha, ama-military veterans, abantu bakithi abakhubazekile nabo elehlayo uma ngabe uhulumeni enza imisebenzi nabo njengama-sectors ahlukahlukene. The center of our work is to ensure that the climate for investment attraction in the province is bearing fruits. Last year, myself and Honorable Mtombeni, we were part of the presidential 5th South African Investment Conference, where President Ramaphosa committed government in the past 5 years to raise 1.2 trillion worth of investment into the economy over the past 5 years. We were very excited and happy that as this government led by the African National Congress, the president and all those doomsayers who are there, honorable members, were proven wrong in that the president was able to attract 1.3 trillion worth of investment in our country.